Can we sign up for a VK account without a phone number? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can sign up for a VK account. So let's get started. So first, for people who didn't know, VK is a Russian online social media and social networking platform. So yeah, if you want to create an account, you can easily get this app on your Google Play Store or App Store. So after you download the app, open it up, and this is what it looks like. So initially you will see sign in to VK. You will get different options. Now there is an option to log in using your email. Now since we are creating an account, we will need to head over to sign up option. Now as you can see right here, we will need to enter our phone number, but there is no option to create an account with email or using your Google or Facebook or something like that. So there is no option that you can sign up for a VK account without a phone number. So there is an option to log in, but there is no option to create an account with a VK. So what you might need to do is just use your phone number to create an account and then link your email later on. So that means that you will actually need your phone number to create a VK account.